Welcome to TIKA TIKA MARVO channel. Today we are at Barceló Bávaro Palace at Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. Last time I went to Cancun back in late 2021, but this is my second Caribbean trip. This is my second time going to the Caribbean trip. First was Cancun and now it's Punta Cana. Yeah! So sorry I haven't made a video in so long. I'm sorry I let you guys down. I kind of wasted half my year not making one of my videos. But don't worry, I'll start making more from now on. We have all the suitcases, trolley, and we are going to take them all to the hotel. We're going to check out what the hotel room is going to look like. Alright everyone, we got the suitcases in the elevator, so we're going up to the hotel room and we're going to check it out. They even have a bathtub right here. Wow, this is so nice. This is the end of our video. Please like, share and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. We will be making more Punta Cana videos. This will be an epic trip. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.